Hi everyone, this is a custom Shopify pet store. A design inspired by Alpha Pause, Prodigy, and conversion friendly style. Let's start from the top. You can see the announcement bar highlighting free shipping, followed by a clean header and simple navigation for dogs product, cat products, and uh, gift idea. The hero section welcome visitor with a lifestyle banner showing pets in warm, fun, family friendly atmosphere. Scrolling down, I have added a shop category section with clear image for dogs and cats. That comes on testimonial. Then comes the testimonial for essential for trust and credibility. Next, the bestseller bestseller section showcase top personalized item like ornament and plush bed, all with sales tag for urgency. The custom warp canvas section add an emotional connection, letting user order personalized pet portrait. I also include new arrival product promotion, and from the journal section make the store feel dynamic and content rich. Finally, I bottom we have a FAQ, quick link, and clean footer with newsletter sign up, completing a professional conversion optimized layout. Now let's check uh, product page. Here you will see the holiday ornament product page, fully customized with variant option, price discount, and a clear add to cart button. Uh, Below, product details are displayed in net layout, followed by lifestyle photos, emotional, and easy to navigate. This is designed not only looks great but also encourage more engagement and purchase. Thanks for watching. I am Sohan, a Shopify web designer, professional about building modern conversion ready store.